Hey there, everyone. Here is a quick tutorial on how to join our edu.bandlab.com education version because there's no spam bots in there for obvious safety reasons. So here is the first way to join. Go to your Google Classroom. For me, it says ALA because I am an ALA student. For you, it might say some other school, Valley High School, Car Intermediate, Willard, whatever, okay? Go to the link that your teacher has provided. It might be in the classwork, or it might be in the stream somewhere. I found mine, so I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to continue with Google. And then from here, you'll see your profile here. It's 0 schools. So an easy way is, instead of clicking these buttons, just go back to your Google Classroom link that your teacher provided, and you're going to click it again. And then once you see this logo, which is our district arts logo, once you see this, you are in the class. You can check members, and then you will see yourself. Here's me, my student account. There's nothing in the assignments because we haven't given any yet, but we just want you in the program for now. Okay? In the education version. Here is the second way to join. All right, so I'm gonna log myself out. I'm gonna go to my teacher account and kick my student account off. All right, so here is the second way to join. Go to, this is really important, EDU. If you don't add that EDU part, you will go to bandlab.com, but that's not the version we want you to be in. EDU, and yes, we have had students use the regular version, but there's a lot of spam bots in there. So edu.bandlab.com, it's going to take you to this page, and I want you to click on log in over here in the upper right hand, white button here, log in, and don't type in anything, just click on this Google sign, G, and it should automatically log you in from your Chromebook. And now you can click on join class. There's 2 of them, doesn't matter, just click on any of them, and then you're going to enter this code. And here is the code for you. You could pause the video and type that in, or the code might already be in your Google Classroom that your teacher has provided, okay? All right, so now that you have finished typing your classroom code, your invitation code, click join. And ta-da, once you see this logo, SAUSD pilot class, you know you are in. Now, let's do some really quick what if. I need to do this over again. Now, you type in edu.bandlab.com, and what if you accidentally, instead of going here, you say start as a student, and then it already asks you to join the classroom. So this is, you have like an extra step because you'll have to do this again. So what if you click on that? Go ahead, just in case you do this, just follow the steps. Same code, continue with Google. Now, for whatever reason, I do not know, it does not put you into the class, even though you already put in the code before. So if you do that method, you still have to do this. So join class. Now you're in. So it's a little bit of a long way around. So just in case you do that, that's how you get in. Okay. All right. Thank you.